akwa ba kese bi ne ba Adom TV so Adom TV so be dwonwuma die so dia wo kansi wo sempa sa kana no penso ja medin de Enoch Kwasi Wolanyo Wala sa gudie catch ba ko pe the only nomenclature professor's degree in sports the Regina Wallace the nation's presenter and medicine kunya na me kono kwanten kode sema wo sa kana no penso bi e wo Ghana kudim eja wo ka kire busuafo na fofo oyere oma wo fasefo na mu kromo eno mprafo nyina se prof jinema ya de nkomode de ebre e wo Ghana kudim game park games so madama eagerly anticipated pick one game no arrival with the bank but more than so do between sa gym na amafo dia 8 na nyasam ketwa kra game park games so between twa from 1 to 36 na for between sa get prepared say e dia between sa di kakra between twa 1 Ghana cedis an kopem 350 Ghana cedis na wadi 26 times to stake ni twa 1 Ghana cedis times 26 into hezika buburja ana obabedi pick one game no ana medi one dance dia amount dial star 946 hash all networks na fato and so dia ko gameparkgames.com na for nempem for 20 cents so honum na ne ani kan say anopa bia best no nkron draw na eba so live e wadum TV so afi wi akata ban so prem tubere mu no eno so 20 cents aba so na 6 pm enwumere so no sia esa ba so 20 anopa obetia de awia wande awia obetia de enwumere obetia de anopa e de awia asan de enwumere nyina so de e de apeso na boa e ma niam atia kwa de ma ka game park games a was more mula more power regulated by the National Lottery Authority nemum se no so ma say chacha diwa wadwene betia bomutrim betia hyehye wani betia kwa purunsu na ekoko enitia na de adwene kakra etia sa to ho game park games ho danse ana medi ejawe Kingdom Herba e de Kingdom enu tata should be na aba na Kingdom Galabites na Kingdom Gala capsules and pay ye kan for their mouth so immune system no e painting their modern that so sabit ka Kingdom Galabites and Kingdom Gala capsules ya dia ebo redeem ene yeti redeem de nyina no e be pressure bo mo pomodon sam so etine gene kunkun e radim eno pon wa low blood pressure na tetew cholesterol na fe so kwa reduce sugar level no na ma na e stable eno pon so kwa na stradia na sangwa na do mojem a ru mojem se kama sanfri mu memutimi da ko jinti sanya kunsu ene ntime sew bo modern that so sabit ka Kingdom Galabites and Kingdom Gala capsules. Yeah, the new Kingdom Ginseng Power capsules aba memedru no e mane toma mema na e beji de mo adwuma e ma sudie so atuansa befie. But more than that some sabeka new Kingdom Ginseng Power capsules yi recommended for sexual weakness. Chairman we have send Mexico so agudie na e fema we be say chairmanship no san fagina so dia na new Kingdom Ginseng Power capsules betia bodwuma be so don hwere ha ene akiri na still ugu so etare so a obo adwuma pa eno pon ho sexual weakness na to waist pains and afi mental stress out fam na yifri ho na bo maniama etia kuyede ma edoi ebe ma extra yiwale power obetin dia bo adwuma che na wetin age chairmanship amobi etia sanje wadi tremendous capsules say manu so edu emano enso emema ne tomoma ombeje na aboa ema setan so etia san kuye na anu ada ya ohwese na nemasi ko so a chairman twemu ho no omba biun ofre na onkan mu no kranchire ye enka obeti obaabi no na ni entia san nye homsew o setimi ka tremendous capsules edoi eboa prapro ahimfie o meho so twansa sante a chairman ken bomodien da sa o sabetia ka tremendous capsules edu no eye adwuma tremendously eno so bomodien a o setimi ka bia chairman ba na kwa sentua oboa obetia mo ho na aboa maniama etia kuye ediama Kingdom Home Estate dan papa ene ho adanse ni oti kruma wabo adwuma kakra na wanyesika kakra pene ato a beso fina akoto asase akoto concrete na fe so yaje digging fini nkoniaba ebe ha adwen we yesa na nhye ne esi kwa Kingdom Home Estate wonma edan ne asisi ne kama sei yama modern touch of electricity nyinam kan agina so standby generators esa ho nso ne bawawa bomodien da so do ni betua sa che in terms of security bambody o mayire mu pampen se dondo nitine ne to wonya baabi emfamfa eno pon a o de wo eye Kingdom Home Estate akache a wetin drive some few meters away na o de woni akire every botanical gardens akotwe ni so boti force so Safari Valley resort ho ana fetete kwashi memorial hospital enso on ma o de woni chirewa apomodon sem na to ba ha o mehwe kama na bo ma niam atia kwede ma edan no Kingdom Home Estate edan fefe pa ana o masi eni nyina hwe nim se kwabia so betia kudila wo so na ekropon right after Latte Junction no ho ana be hu Kingdom Home Estate na fe won so atia koto sa edan bi na Kingdom e ba so hwe ma chiri kwan a wo mu ewo eye okanshi drug lane sabetia kan obetia from 053-614-9961 053-614-9961 na one Kingdom phone pay for yentwetwe nkomo ye ka Kingdom a omse no challenger nyamom dia ba na obi eni ho a se benyado watimi edi esi ewo mutwumadi a wo mu eguso edinti so fa ho jim na mwa emanyama 822 ye enfama a journey of 1,000 kilometers begins with very first step yen chase enfamfi English FA Cup matches ni between Sabaso Wigan Athletic for 8 in Manchester United for the 10 times so 90 minutes of soccer fiesta na se Manchester for Champa wo mu ginom na so umtwa Wigan for kamino a wo mu entimi esimaje The FA Cup hon komo kakra na ye dey from England na we hosan na ma Asia Cup but to mo African Cup of Nations 2023 na dwumadi a ye dey brew no ye friend say Cote d'Ivoire minutes and ye dey brew na with a cabes in the form akoma best 9 na AFCON no etwen san chase official song for the tournament no unyante ye but first on Adom TV so ye dey komo no etwen san brew we Cote d'Ivoire minutes and ye dey brew
na sania tournament bia no ye nwum ba ko ade to ho no mo a eno ya ahyenso de ma kansi no AFCON 2023 nso ankwankwoti na organizers ni se ye padwum a se players ni gida go prama so kura na se obo a e be hye omu nkura na mabontina o ma nye pese minkumnya o ma de akonya ne to ho e de ba bimamu ha o ma betumi aye nwum a eno bebua tournament no ene santi o mko na sania tournament bia no ye nwum ba ko ade to ho no mo a eno ya ahyenso de ma
the ultimate say nipa duebu e wo sene nema Asia course we official song and ye dey ba nwom ni nyam mo stand by ye be kum na afia hwe sene nema Asia ko e wo chicha wodo etia piem no eno at the senior national soccer team Black Stars of Ghana e dey akensi ba ko etia sampem so na efie mponie na Ivory Coast wo hwe sene nema Asia course efie wo home support nyina wo san de Ghana referee say di match no ye ne Namibia fo e boz na wo hwe sene nema Asia course akensi no enya sema nika sesi ani ebu fi na ekwa bontia de na betua saye na ne piem ni after say game no etimate of him.
Certainly a game of two halves. I think what was evident is that we were up against a team that's a lot of energy, very direct in the way that they play, 4-4-2, look to search behind, good runners behind. And around that, what you have to be able to do is keep the ball well enough. And in a first half period, I thought our ball retention wasn't good enough, which made it difficult for us. In the times when we could change the play, which was when you've got a team that you're playing against in 4-4-2 narrow with high energy, then the travel of the ball has got to be quicker. So I didn't think we was good enough on the ball in a first half period. Second half, of course, better, but the game opens up. The game opens up, and I think we were able to capitalise then on the spaces, and then it becomes the job then to score goals. And of course, we entered the final third a lot more in the second half than what we did in the first half. But either perhaps a lack of quality at times saw us not get opportunities. I think you have to credit them. I think they defended very well in their moments. But we had to make more of the possession that we had.
And so Chris Hutton, Black Stars of Ghana head coach, and Alton can say after see a ball draw no, we just say I was sending them Asia course was against Kesinim. Ghana 0, Namibia 0. Referee ufi Ghana and the match no and the home fans Kumase and as I can say the 8 me eshase ne the ultimate say fans no e free gate there but to be anywhere otimi ekopiem actually kura no offend toss me no and amanfo enso ekokoto mo yema omde omani 8 men san kira se kwata chiri bo ma nema 8 me koye bibia metwema Ghana be born first match kwese da anim ya nyese bia next month kwese da anim ya and Ghana born first game Ghana will be any Egypt Mozambique na Africa Red Islands and they are kissing ebetia 10 times we rehearsing na besi akọ but former Black Stars coach a friend say Utuado ono so obeka say Ghana ya kinsi a ebe fukra in Egypt na me sure say banade wasesa na dwen nyesa de a ne o Canada nese nkuntumpuni na baraba de wo mo emfa nyehwe na odinkumo hakretian sa ba say Ghana wo hwesa na ma ezie koso na ase ebetia winning game na be tough for my see
many good teams. Yeah. I think Mali is great, Egypt, Algeria, Morocco showed at the World Cup how good they are. And still you have Cameroon, Nigeria, Ivory Coast have a very good team. But, anything can happen. And when we played against Nigeria, they also had Osimhen and Chukwueze and all these players, but still we managed to draw them and to qualify. So, football is, and this is also the lovely part about football because, everything can happen. So like other sports where, we know when this team will play this, they win. But the football, anything can happen, and that makes this sport so beautiful. So for me, to give prediction, I'm hoping and praying that Ghana gets far, for sure. And I know that they have the Yeah, they have the talent to do it. But you also need luck in football. This is for sure. You know, sometimes it's just decisive if the ball goes to post inside or post outside. You know, so this can change a game. You know, so it's like I said before, very complex and a lot of things are coming together. But like I said, I pray and hope that Ghana will get very far. So many good teams. I think.
Wo Chris Utina abayiwa journalist ejana nchegbe otu ado so abayiwa journalist nti we hwese na Mexico so na bibia ekoso Ghana na Black Princesses na story management committee chairman efan Gideon Fosu na we hwese na City amo so bota pa so beti ensure se Ghana ebe qualify for yet another FIFA under-20 Women's World Cup ebe so Colombia. Black Princesses na ebe boss Senegal elmo final round of the qualifiers between Santo Jano. First leg no fixed for Saturday 13th January na Senegal for so ehwe se kwambia so no second leg na beti abaso mo so ma share na Kumasi Barbara Sports na be hostu sa kensi no nti ekweseda January 21st 2024 ya ana Sanchez so kono ebeti abaso na owura Njini Gideon Fosu management committee member and as a chairman what the nkomo eja edi afa under 20 World Cup Black Princesses so epesom qualify kubi nti Gideon Fosu ana ne oye Black Princesses management committee under 20 almost hwenim so beti qualify for World Cup so no smam say immediately FA ne almost second about 2 for ket ne second term no almost dissolve all the committees apart from the discipline committee na standing committee na same time almost starting new committee nti we mu part of the new committee and paying for timi name no basis abrede Blasters management committee there omu name no but Blasters nti no mashada enwan fi ase wa de ba besen de akosro Blasters nti because Blasters Cup of Nations so be hwe ne name committee for na almost kwakonumti Cote d'Ivoire nti no we nhyehyɛ so kokwa no so etian sabaso ba nyame adoma yegu so tia CD ebi koso edi akiri na ye de honkomo kakra ne tete ho kakra so etian bro na fo so ni da ho no hu ne de taxpayers money etian san ye onam kruma bon se police for ne AMF yo mu chesin ko for ko jetas ni wia basis abre Cup of Nations e de ni kira se na yenim budgeta aban any FNI na ya wo mo ede ko but just 4 days to the Cup of Nations Kingdom Herba wo mo the Kingdom Garlic capsules na ba modern da unya hu tas ne so pom don se mekoyi nti Kingdom Garlic bitters and Kingdom Garlic capsules wontimi no bitters na memene capsules na fato yam ebetia bo bodo immune system no ebe mana e pampen na yade bia no one na etia to kwanta pa low blood pressure low cholesterol afa reduce sugar level no afa anwane sade ado mojam na samfi mu se kama e ma niam 1822 ye de ma New Kingdom ginseng power capsules memadu no obese chema ugina supporti ti se kamera ye hweme na edro ni ni bo modern da se osabeka New Kingdom ginseng power capsules ebetia bo ama niam 1822 ye e ma extra power hewale obobo adwuma ama niam atia koye de ma tremendous capsules e ma ne de ya mesrew hwesena na anu ada chairman bae na wa friend na still onsan betwem ho bio ne dia na e yasemala nko monsan kan tremendous capsules e boa eyi candidiasis white fita na so depo prapro ahimfi ho e ma hoso twansa asante achimenken o ye doko o ye fem e ma enikan etuansa ba ho nti chairman ba na o kase untia boa obetua mo ho tremendous capsules and be ma ho tremendous work na e dia ma Kingdom Home Estate so the dan papa etuansa ba na quality houses modern touch and dia ma na say affordable bo ne da fam ukita teku simple kapre siri kra obetua koto dan bi no etuansa trim security ba mo nsem ekoye electricity nyam kana ne gina so yesa standby generator so enso ne de omse ba wa nyame adoma ye na de ni betuansa kire ho na yakotan tu be share ewo eye Kingdom Home Estate akachia coupon right after Latte Junction no onsa ebetimi akan na afa Bri Botanical Gardens and Aboti Force ne Safari Valley Resort ho tete Koshi Memorial Hospital enso ben ho a opomodon sem na atoba na South Kingdom Home Estate few meters drive na afa do ne etuansa kire ho a onso okoboa mo asetan etia ko idemo Kingdoms of Frame it was 0536149961 0536149961 and 0303939987 na for ne Kingdom Home Estate and afa Kingdom Herbal Center yenhwetwe nkomo yenhwemo a emaniama 22 yemfama madama wo mne techri bo mena no penso e dia wo kensi wonsempa esa kan etime ejawo within the prof ike wala sakudi catch back open am gidemu e of course evidence based presentation etime ejawo uti edwumadi a na ma wo hye bubu ahye kanehye agbobolo hye feda baka kopin bo meka dansuma da kuma kofodua sumsan kede bodu asema kese bi mamponte fade kete krachi kopim so do winiba kaso akonyanya na atempu ko so jaman akosomu ene ne hye soso ga kopɛ da bala hoho ekotitu adidome say time now so we do see and hada wase a chelp the act of being a good guest is to know to say goodbye.